Last month, I made $4,000 pure profit from 2 funded accounts. I hit the 20% target on both accounts with trading.com. One was trading multipair, the other one FX Stabilizer. So what happens when you hit the target? First, withdrawal time. You get 80% profit split in stage 1. The multipair EA didn't just hit 20%, it made almost 30%, which is huge. From that 10K account, I made $2,951. 80% of that is $2,361 for me, and $590 goes to trading.com. The FX Stabilizer hit exactly 20%, which was $2,048 total, and I received $1,639 from it. So combined, that's $4,000 profit from just 2 accounts I bought for $1,000 each. Made 20% per account and turned 2K into 4K profit. Let's see how the EAs will perform in the second stage. Slow and steady.